Hi everyone, Sulan here from Marker Size Project. I have a little problem here. I've got a marker stain here, Sharpie marker stain on one of my favorite shirts. I'm trying to see if I can remove this, and I've watched some videos on the internet, and there's a few different options, and one of them is to use acetone. I tried using like a normal washer, so it doesn't work. So now I'm trying to use some earbuds and acetone. See if I can maybe dissolve this and then wash it away with washing detergent. Let's go. Just going to dab a little bit with a earbud. Light it, see if it dissolves. Yep, looks like it's dissolving. So I'll now change to a clean bud. And I dab more on the stain here. Looks like it's dissolved but spread out. A bit more. Then I'll just use the dishwashing liquid. Oops. I'm going to put some water. I mostly work on the sink so I do not mess up the place. So you can see the Sharpie stain is now gone on the top layer. You have to do a couple of times. Okay, so I'm going to dab dry. Take a bit of tissue. I'm going to use tissue to dab dry. See, now the marker stain is gone. See that? So I'm just going to use a bit more with a new clean bud. So what probably is happening now, the marker is kind of dissolved and going into the material. So maybe I need to dissolve it more. It's much lighter now, not that obvious. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to grab some washing detergent. It's a washing detergent, and I'm just going to rub it onto where the ink was. So as you can see, it's much better now. It's not that obvious. Now just going to wash it away. So this was where the stain was just now. And now the marker is being cleaned. Right? So looks like the acetone method works. You can just use a bit dab of acetone to kind of dissolve the Sharpie marker. And after that you can use either some dishwashing liquid, then use the washing detergent using an earbud and wash it off, then rinse it with water, and so the marker stain is now gone. Okay, right, so hopefully you learned something, and thank you for watching. Do like and share and subscribe and press the bell so that you can get notification for any new tips from Uncle Salih's project. Okay, take care and bye.